Alright, so for my clip analysis, I picked the execution scene from Alphaville. I chose this scene because it's a very unique part of the movie and there are many areas to talk about with this section of the movie. The first aspect I'd like to talk about would be the editing and sequencing of the execution scene in Alphaville. The editing style is very creative and interesting in this scene. As it is a French New Wave movie, Godard uses like the free editing style like associated with this area of film. We see many long sequences during the scene, but that changes when the action picks up. The jump cut, like a relatively new idea for editing, is used a lot when the men are being shot in the scene. This causes like a rapid action and picks up the pace in the movie momentarily. We can easily tell that something is like important is happening too. These jump cuts were also an economical choice for the movie because they were able to move action along quicker in the movie without using so much film. Okay, so a second area I'd like to talk about would be the lighting of the scene. More towards the beginning of the scene when Lemmy and Natasha are walking into the pool area, the use of low-key lighting is prominent as there are like many shadows in the scene. When the shots move in closer, we begin to become more near the important figures that Lemmy is being introduced to by Natasha. They have shadows on their faces, like concealing them from the audience. This creates mystery in the scene and also creates like a sense of the like higher power. These characters have a higher power. Um, the small amount of lighting in these scenes is also a prominent characteristic of the French New Wave era, as like the cameras required less lighting, like light needed, and natural light was used more. And this was a very experimental era as well. Thanks.